Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource here checking in. Today what I'm going to be looking or featuring for you is a body control module for the later C5 Corvettes. Now in 1990, Corvettes introduced a secondary computer control system to the cars called a CCM, Central Control Module, or a BCM, Body Control Module. Those are interchangeable terms. They mean the same thing. So what these CCM or BCMs do basically is control the courtesy functions of the car, the courtesy lights, security systems, things of that nature, keep the cars from starting if the wrong key is inserted, a lot of the other ancillary systems that aren't primary functions. But if they do go bad, they also will keep the car from starting because the security system is routed through these. Now this unit that I have here is a GM part number 10304931. This is for the 2001 to 2004 Corvettes. They actually are separated by years because they made running changes to the circuit boards and hardware and software inside of them that changes the way they work with the cars, including all the way back to 1990 Corvettes. So these back here, these are 90, 91s. Yeah, there's a 90 right there. So 91, and the interesting thing about these 90 through 96s, just as an aside, is the mileage for the car is actually stored inside the body control module. So these body control modules are hardwired, programmed with the miles that were stored in that particular car. Now they did get rid of that feature in the C5s simply because it was kind of becoming a pain in the butt for the dealers to burn them in. Yeah, see, like there's one I've got that's got 24,000 miles on it. You've got to have the corresponding VATS code, of course. You know, that one I don't have the key code, so I have to look it up. But these are there available as well. But right now I'm focusing on this C5. So the early C5 97, 98s have their one particular part number that works. 99 and 2000 or another, and then 01 through 04 are a third version. So this would be the 01 through 04 version. You can see this is very clean, no damage, circuit boards like new. I also do have a couple of the earlier body control modules for these. This is from a 1998. Those have a different part number on them. I think that one is also maybe an 01 through 04, again, an alternate part number. But if you have a need for any C5 electronics, I do have these available. You can reach me anytime at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian with VetteSource. I've been parting out Corvettes for 20 years. So I will check back with you guys tomorrow with some more goodies that I have available, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Check you back then.